Hey, so consider yourself warned. Here's what's up. If you want to grow your channel in 2019, if you're passionate about YouTube but you feel stuck, two things. I've got a really important video that's going to come out in 2 or 3 days, but it's going to be hard to watch for most people. It kind of talks about what's missing from YouTube tips and tricks videos. It kind of talks about the most important thing that you've got to have up here. And if you click on that video, it might not make you feel the greatest, but without question, this is what you've got to be right up here, right? You've got to come to the plate expecting to put in the effort. And if you're not prepared emotionally, it's really a challenge here on YouTube. So yeah, like this video, I gotta be honest, I've had this video on this iPad for so long, for months, and I've continued to refine it, and I'm a little nervous. Like I'm trying to grow my channel, and I don't think this is the thing to grow a channel. But what matters to me more than growing my channel is providing helpful information. Even if it hurts to hear a little bit, that'll help people grow. Quite frankly, I don't think most people are ready for this video, but maybe you are. When you see this thumbnail in the coming days, just know it may be the one video that can help you succeed here on YouTube.